Buddy, Jeremy Prunty here. I'm going to walk you through one of my rehabs that I've got going on. This one's in the drywall stage, so that means all rough plumbing, electrical, HVAC is done. So I figured you'd enjoy a look at it. So I just came in through the front door here, and obviously as you can see, we've got all new windows, drywall, and actually we did notice now that all the drywall and everything is straight that these stairs are a little cockeyed. So before we mud and tape, we're going to go ahead and jack up this part of the house, you know, under the stairs down in the basement up before they mud and tape, because if we did it after, then obviously we'd have cracks in the mud and tape. So this is a, gosh, turn of the century house, 19 something or other. With this wall, we are going to either just paint it red. That's probably what I'll do, just to make it look like brick again, because I don't want to, you know, take a stripper to it, take a chemical stripper to it to get up all this crazy paint. We put a little laundry room in right there. Here's going to be our kitchen, back door, put cans in since everything was open. So it'll be a nice open floor plan. It'll be a nice house for sure when we get done. It was already all vinyl sided, so that was kind of a bonus. So we'll go upstairs real quick. And so there's a half bath downstairs. We've got a full bath up here. Kind of a weird, kind of a small just bathroom, you know. But we'll put in a tile surround, because to do a fiberglass surround with this angle, roof angle, just would be not very feasible. So we've got bedroom number one. Again, we'll just, well, up here we'll patch the stucco overlay on that brick and then just paint. It'd just be too involved to try to peel all that off, because this is a duplex. So there's even one on the other side. Got our closet there. Bedroom two. Ta-da! Closet. And bedroom three. Oh, with a little hall closet here. And bedroom three. So with every bedroom, you know, per code, you need 70 square feet. Oh, and we're just going to leave that exposed. I just think it looks kind of cool. Whatever. You need 70 square feet of 7-foot ceiling height. You need it heated, and a closet, and egress. So that's the requirements to call each bedroom a conforming bedroom. So we have that with all these up here. So we'll end up having a 3-bed, 1.5 bath house when it's all said and done. Let me show you the basement real quick, because that's, whoop, my selfie stick isn't the best at keeping still. It is a little dark. So let me add some light so I don't fall going down the stairs, which I've done before. And I'd probably still post it because it's funny. Gotta laugh at yourself, right? So we got a little water coming in here, no big deal, because we have had a lot of rain. Whoa! Thing just turned over on me. So all I'm going to do is I'll show you outside, pour a pad against the house and have it slope away, and that should correct the problem. No big deal. So yeah, here's where we're jacking up this part of the house right there. We did have to add these jacks, basement jacks, to it. We already raised the house quite a bit even before we hung the drywall, but just noticed that. So the dirt's so soggy that we're gonna have to end up putting in more rock and then putting pressure on that deck footing, pushing everything down until we hit a good solid base. Same with that white one. But this whole floor, after we get these last 2 jacks done, we're gonna just break out this entire floor and re-pour it, because if you can't really tell, but it's crazy sloped and everything. That way it'd be a nice flat level surface. Looks like we got some water to address there too, maybe. I don't know, we'll figure that out in a little bit. But we did do all new plumbing, new panel, everything to code, all PVC, drain, waste vent, and CPVC supply lines. I like CPVC a lot. It's quicker. You reduce potential copper theft. You know, things of that nature. Did put a new furnace in. High efficiency. New water heater. New. Everything will be pretty much new, except for the bricks and sticks. So, yep. So this one's gonna be. This one's off of 25th and Leavenworth. So it should be ready, month-ish or so at this stage. And here I'll show you where I'm just gonna pour. Blessed. Yeah, see, it's just kind of seeping in right there. So I'll just pour a pat or a kind of a sidewalk right up against the house and deck. That'll help solve that issue. But like I said, it's already all vinyl sided, so that was kind of a bonus. We should put in all new windows and doors, things of that nature. So, yep. So hope you learned a little bit on this. Oh, and I am refinishing the hardwoods. I love refinishing hardwoods because once you sand them down bare and 3 coats of poly, you're not touching those floors for, I don't know, probably a good 10 years at least, you know. And as a rental home, you know, you don't want to do any type of flooring that you'll have to replace over and over again. Obviously, carpet is quite a bit cheaper, but what's the likelihood of carpet getting stained or the likelihood of hardwoods getting stained? Obviously, carpet's going to get stained. Hardwoods will just take a beating. So, and then in the kitchen, we're just going to put like an LVT luxury vinyl tile. That way, all the flooring is pretty much just waterproof. So, anyways, if you want some more tips and tricks and little ninja secrets and whatnot, like I teach my students, feel free to visit the website here on the bottom and sign up for the newsletter or just the email, and you can get some tips and whatnot sent to you. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one. Thanks.